Ready to race, race number 5. The favorite, Mrs. Teapot. Anytime now, race number 5. And the race is on. Jenny's Cat. From the outside, Fernando's entry, Mrs. Teapot. And on the outside, Streetwire, Mr. Maki. Entry number 9, Wisco Lang. And entry number 7, Lucky Joe Lucky. Running in 7th position. And inside the last 600, Jenny's Cat. By about 2 lengths, Streetwire in 2nd. Mrs. Teapot is racing by Daryl Fernando's entry. And rounding the far turn, Jenny's Cat still leading the pack. Streetwire in 2nd, Fernando's entry. As they race the final corner, Jenny's Cat still the leader by a length and a half. Streetwire from the outside, Fernando's entry. Mrs. Teapot, Lucky Joe Lucky. It's now Streetwire from the outside. Jenny's Cat is running by Darrell and nearing the finish line. Entry number 10 is Streetwire. Second, Mrs. Teapot, Lucky Joe Lucky. Jenny's Cat, Wisco Lang, close with Talisman for your